Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows 11 PC with the best HDR gaming settings that you can have for your computer so that you can play your games very smoothly. So there are a few things you need to do, guys. Now, the first thing I want to recommend to you is to simply right click on the Windows icon here and go to settings on your computer. Now, once you're here, you want to click on system and then you want to click on display. No, then you want to go to HDR and you will see it right under this feature here. So you want to click on HDR. And if your computer display support HDR, you will see it under the display capabilities. And if you're using multiple monitors as well, you want to ensure that you select the correct one. So for example, if I select the second one here, you realize it is not supported, but the first one here, which is the internal display for the laptop, you can see that HDR video streaming is supported. But if it also uses HDR, you will see that it's supported as well. So once you will see what is available, you need to ensure that you turn these on. So in my case, I don't have the use HDR supported, but I have the HDR video streaming supported. So I will go ahead and turn this on. And in your case, you want to turn on use HDR if that is available to you as well. It's very important. Now, I would also recommend that you go back to your display and you will see the feature that says night light. Also recommend for you to do is to check to see if you have the night light feature on or off, right? So you can always come here and you can find this. It says use warmer colors to help block blue light, right? So you want to go ahead, if you want to use this, it's optional, it's really up to you. So you can go ahead and you can choose to turn it on or off. But if you want to have your gaming colors, the best, to have the best gaming settings, it's really up to you if you want to use it. So you can go ahead and you can play with this option here and you can turn it on or off. But you know, in my case, I would use my glasses and I will be perfectly fine and I will simply turn this feature off, right? So it's really up to you. I would say play around with this feature here and see how you feel, what you feel better, what's better for you, what's more comfortable for you to use when you're using your computer. I also recommend that when you're using computer as well, normally in the night, you can turn on the dark mode on your PC. And to turn on dark mode on your PC, it's pretty easy. Again, you want to go to settings, then click on personalize on the left hand side, then go to colors, and then you can find the dark mode feature on the choose your mode. So using the computer in the night, it's also good for your eyes as well. Now, one more feature as it relates to gaming that I would like to share for you. So on the left hand side on the settings, click on gaming, guys, and you want to go ahead and click on game mode. So you see it says optimize your PC to play. So you want to click on this and ensure that you turn on game mode. Once you turn on game mode, what this does, it's very clear, optimize your PC to play by turning things off in the background. So it will allow your computer to have more power so that you can play games very smoothly. So I want to recommend these settings to you guys. I absolutely believe for your Windows 11 PC, this is the best HDR settings and the best gamings that you can use on your PC. And go ahead and try this out, and I hope that it helps you and you'll enjoy playing your game. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.